My next project will be this. I'm gonna fix all the water issue. You can see the dark area here, it's water. Even where I'm stepping here, the ground is very, very soft. There's water here coming out. There's a spring here. And here there's a lot of water. You can see the water flowing here. I had put a drainage here a few years ago, but it's kind of failing, so I have to redo all of it. And I don't like that anymore. This is not good. Cutting the grass makes it so difficult. So I'm going to do some landscape here. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'll figure it out. Here I don't even want to step on it because I don't have my boots yet. But this is what it is here. Another spring here, so I'm gonna try to dig all up here, do a French drain connected to somewhere over there, and here I'm trying to make it a little bit nicer. A lot of water. So like I said, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I'll figure it out. I'm gonna clean this up. Eventually I'll be digging here, and here I'll be grading, make it nice and level from there. Alrighty, let's get back to work. Clean this up. Looks okay for now. So at least those bushes are not going to keep growing, and it will be easier to clean up later. Alright, now it's going to be this side. Let's get back to work.
Don't
So my tractor is unable to get up this hill because it's super wet and I'm sinking. Let's try to dig a huge hole from here all the way down. It's at least 2 or 3 feet deep and it's kind of wide. That's what I want. And here, this is here I just dug with my shovel. Hopefully by tomorrow the ground will be more dry here, and I'll try to bring my tractor here because it's too much work. It's too much work. And the spring is right here. This is where the spring is. This is like a bush of rock here, so I want to dig deeper over here and then finish this hole here. And here it's too wet. I can't do anything here. It's so annoying. I was able to do this side with the tractor, nice and wide and deep. That's what I want. There's a pipe here already, so try not to go further down. Try to use this pipe. You can see the water flowing inside. It's gonna be a lot of work. And then tomorrow morning I'm hoping that the wet will be more dry. Like this is too wet here, it's too difficult. Alright, I'm gonna go back to work. Take a break and then go back to work.